Hello, this is my video of me unboxing and modding a keyboard. So I chose the Epomaker TH80 Pro and I actually bought all the parts with my money, so nothing sponsored or anything. This is just an honest unboxing and my personal thoughts. I got the white case. I really like it, honestly. It's pretty heavy actually, which surprised me. I was like, whoa, this is this is pretty dense, but it's really good quality. I really like it for the price. I wanted to go with something that's white because it will match my keys and everything else and the rest of the setup that I want to go for. So I really like it. And yeah, it has 2 different levels of leg heights, which was really convenient, and it also can be connected via a USB port or Bluetooth or wire connection, which was very, very useful, and I use the differences all the time, which let's go. But yeah, it also has a knob, which I thought was really cool. But yeah, our knob for the volume is I use it all the time. It's really convenient, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I also plan on, in the future of course, building a PC build that's all white as well. So a video about that's gonna come out eventually. But right now I'm just saving up for it. For my keys, I chose the Eco V3 Cream Yellows because I love the sound of creamy switches. They just sound so nice. Oh my goodness gracious. They're just really good. So I decided to use those, and I also ended up lubing those switches, which it took a while, I'm not gonna lie, but it was worth it. It was well worth it. So that's what it looks like in the packaging. I like how they package it. It's really cute and aesthetic. So I like that they package like that. So I believe my keyboard is a 75%. So I needed to get 2 of them. And these are my keys. Oh my goodness gracious. I love my keycaps so much. They're so cute. These are matcha colored and they're green, and I love green so much. Which is a very uncommon opinion, honestly, but that's alright. But I love green. It reminds me of nature and a bunch of other healthy things. So I wanted to go with green keycaps. And I love them so much. Oh my goodness. I'm obsessed with them. They're amazing. But yeah, as I said before, I plan on building my PC and also getting a graphics tablet since I'm going into animation as an animation student. So if anyone has suggestions for an art tablet that's pretty decent and good for handling heavier software with a monitor built in, let me know in the comments, because I've been doing some research and I'm not honestly sure what would be the best decision for me. If anyone has any general suggestions of decent budget keyboards that well, not necessarily budget, but bang for your buck, you know, there's a monitor built in, so it's gonna be a little more expensive, but I don't want it to be crazy expensive just because of a brand or something. So let me know. But yeah, so I put on all the switches and stuff, and I pulled out the spacebar because I wanted to mod it. And this is actually really funny because spacebar, I didn't know how to pull out a spacebar at this time, so it just flew out. Just wait for it. It's kind of funny. This is hurting me. I did not know what I was doing because this was my first time ever like having a separate keyboard because I usually just use my laptop. So I was like tripping. Oh, and yeah. Just flew out. It's kind of funny. But yeah, I basically added like tape on the inside of the space bar. And also some like foam pieces later, I believe, after recording this video. So it wouldn't sound so hollow. But yeah. So I just used some green tape. And I put it inside the spacebar. Yep. So, yep. Yeah, it's very, it wasn't perfectly cut, okay? but it was cut. And it worked somewhat. It was a lot better. But yeah. I fixed it later, I promise. I made the tape a lot less uneven, and I also like added some foam inside of the spacebar. Oh yeah, this is the RGB. I usually dislike RGB because it can feel really cheap, especially the like rainbow RGB. I don't know what it is about it, but it usually feels like cheaper to me. But this RGB was actually really good quality, and I was like pretty surprised with all the variety of options they had, but as well as how like bright it was. You probably can't tell, but it was really bright outside and the RGB was still like bright and shining. So I thought the RGB was actually doing a really good job. And here's me changing the colors. And this is the overall keyboard. I'm really happy with it. And I'm so excited to have my future setup. I honestly can't wait to build my PC. I'm so excited, and I'm also really excited to have a proper like digital tablet, because usually I just use like an Android tablet. So I'm totally stoked for having like a proper PC with everything. But yeah, overall I'm really content with this, and it's a really solid keyboard. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a great day, everyone.